Okay, day 4. Here we go. Today we're going to make 2 stops. One in Sioux Falls and the other one in Mitchell. Really cool trip so far. Saw the Mississippi River. We're going to cross the Mississippi River now. And it's going to be epic. The one thing I will say, mosquitoes were crazy last night at the river. And now we are crossing the Mississippi River. This is the first time I ever crossed this river by car. By land, I mean. And a motorcycle. There it is. It's the only time it counts. Gorgeous. Oh, Minnesota! New state! Yeah! That was quick! Nice! Oh, look at that! Wow! So cool! There you go. Minnesota welcomes you! Woohoo! Too lazy to stop and take a picture, actually. I just want to keep going! Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, it's a beautiful highway. Beautiful, beautiful. Kinda think after this, no more water on the side. But let's see, maybe the mountains will bring something cool. Now it's getting a little hotter and the landscape changed a little bit. There are some cornfields but also lots of cattle farms, and the winds are starting to pick up a bit. I was told that South Dakota is where you start to feel it a lot more, so we'll see. We are ready for whatever brings, right Betty? She's ready for sure. No wonder why the smell was so bad. The truck is full of pigs. And it's hot again. God damn. Oh, it's a little better than yesterday, but Jesus. Welcome to Austin. Oh, this is nice. Oh, very nice. You know what? If I find a nice spot, I'll stop to hydrate and eat something. Look over there. Massive storm happening over there. Wow. Thank God I'm not going that way. Although there are some drops of water that are very welcome because it was so hot. So hot. When I stopped for lunch, I stopped for an hour to have lunch. I was burning, so this is nice. Ow, it started to hurt a little bit, but hey, it's okay. It's good. Just for a little bit. And then we're out of this patch. Oh, this is good. Oh man. Oh crap. Ah! Jesus, it hurts. Ow! And guess where my rain jacket is? Very nicely in my right saddlebag. Just there, actually, on top. But see, I think it just stopped. No more rain. Oh, that was fantastic. Oh, that was great. There it is, Sioux Falls. I don't think it's going to be raining in Sioux Falls, but I don't know. We shall see. One thing is sure. Although it says 33 Celsius, whatever, over 100 Fahrenheit, it doesn't feel that hot anymore. It is a lot more manageable, and that's awesome, because I still have about an hour and a half to go. I'm going to stop in Sioux Falls, check out the park, and then I'm going to stop in a town called Mitchell, where apparently there is the biggest corn castle in the world. And hey, I believe it, because look at this stuff. Cornfields on the left, cornfields on the right. Holy fuck. Excuse my French. But goddamn, there's so much corn. So much corn. And there it is. There it is. South Dakota. Woo! Another state. Yeah. Let's go. Another state under your belt, Betty. Nicely done. Nicely done. Ah, she's the best. And then out of the blue, for literally, I'm still going, but like 45 seconds. Rain. Quite a moody state, this one here. Oh, nice golf course to the right. Hey, Shadow. Okay, I think it's coming down. Oh, crap. This is gonna hurt. Oh, alright. Let's endure this. Let's go. Ah, fucking hurts. Oh, man. Okay, I need to go slow. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, no. Out of the blue. Well, I needed to wash this anyway. Come on, it's sunny. Hey, 4 days on the road, and until now, I get the rain. I mean, I could stop and get my rain gear on, but 8 minutes away, it's whatever, it's fine. Now it's stopped. It's great. Great, thank you. This was supposed to be my destination if I had stopped in Madison, Wisconsin, but because I went further than Madison to La Crosse, where I slept yesterday, I'm gonna go further than Sioux Falls up to a town called Mitchell. That way I can just ride a little longer every day, winning miles. I expected this to be more of a city, but it's quite spread out. Very nice place. Oh, here it is. Very nice. This is what I saw online. Cool. Alright, let's find a good spot to park. There, it's perfect. That was lovely. What a great place to stop. But as I said before, there is a bit of a smell. Actually, not a bit. It's a bad smell here. And it turns out that that building right there is a hog slaughterhouse. So that's the smell of swine being killed, I guess. It's pretty strong. So let's hit the road now. All right. Thank you, Sioux Falls. You were nice. You were beautiful. 1 hour, 71 miles. The best time to ride is now, because it is really, really pleasant. There is a jail. Oh yeah, they told me. I talked to some people. There is a big penitentiary here. Actually, we're gonna pass right next to it. Oh, wow, this is gonna take me really next to the penitentiary. Wow. It's max security apparently. 1,500 inmates. Oh, and that's the penitentiary. South Dakota State Penitentiary. Jesus. Places like that really freak me out. Oh, ladybug. Oh my god. Come and go. Alright, riding into the sunset. To the west. And it seems like it's a straight line through the state of South Dakota. Thank God for cruise control. Thank God for cruise control, indeed. Okay, and thank God that was not for me.
My God, what a day. But we made it. And my dance is numb yet so flatter.